his first startup on the 4runner after 3 years. Jesus, loud. Is that fan supposed to be on? I don't know. That is got some condensation in there. I got like stuff growing on it. It's ridiculous. Look at the rust on this thing.